Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation video guide for the NXB-63H miniature circuit breakers. Before we begin, disconnect the power supply, wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. The necessary tools include wire strippers, crimping tools, wires of appropriate specifications, wire lugs, electric screwdrivers, flathead screwdrivers, and a multimeter. Before starting the installation, please read the instructions carefully. Make sure to check that the circuit breaker's parameters and requirements match the predetermined working conditions, and choose an appropriate installation location. The technique to installation is to first align the top of the circuit breaker with the upper edge of the ding rail, and then gently press the bottom of the circuit breaker, ensuring it is correctly inserted into the rail. If you need to remove the circuit breaker, push it up hard on the bottom of the circuit breaker and slightly lift the top to detach it from the ding rail, then lightly pull it back to smoothly remove it from the rail. Before the wiring process starts, choose wires with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's current rating, then use a wire stripper to carefully strip off 11 to 13 mm outer insulation of the copper wire to expose a suitable length of the wire. Next, use a crimping tool to firmly crimp the wire lugs onto the copper wire ends to ensure the reliability of the connection. Finally, it is recommended to use an electric screwdriver that has a set torque value to tighten the wires. This is important because it ensures that the connection is stable and safe. Users can choose between electric feeding from the top or bottom based on the installation requirements. This allows greater installation flexibility. When connecting the NXB-63H to the terminal box, strictly adhere to the electrical wiring diagram to ensure each connection point is correctly and securely made. During the wiring process, always comply with local electrical regulations and standards. Before powering up, check that the handle operation is smooth and unobstructed. After powering on, use a multimeter to perform continuity testing on the circuit breaker to verify its normal operation. When the circuit breaker is open, incoming line to neutral voltage is about 230 volts, outgoing line to neutral voltage is below 20 volts. When closed, outgoing line to neutral voltage is about 230 volts, it drops below 20 volts when the circuit breaker is open again. If you encounter any problem, please refer to the troubleshooting guide. We provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults, including failure to close or frequent tripping of the circuit breaker. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.